Let me show you how to do zigzag how come gele. Yes, so this style is for celebrant, or if you want to have your photo shoot, customized style. This is how come. We are going to create the front zigzag. The front zigzag, if you want to achieve the front zigzag, you must create this tiny rope with your ashoke. So just focus your eyes on my hand and see how we are going to achieve it. All I need from you is concentration. Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dig Beauty. If today is the first time you come across my video, you are highly welcome and I am super excited. Here we teach how to purify yourself, how to tie gele, how to do makeup. In case you are watching me from Facebook, I have YouTube. In case you are watching me from YouTube, I have Facebook page as well. Okay, in case you don't like these styles, I have a lot, more than 600 videos on my YouTube channel. My Facebook is busy. I have different videos there, but if you want to see most of my work, I will direct you to my YouTube. And if you want to book me for your event, feel free. I base here in United Kingdom, London. My number is always at the end part of all my video. Thank you. We are into makeup, we tie gele, we do photo shoots. I have studio here in United Kingdom, London. If you want to have your photo shoot, birthday photo shoot, this is my lovely, beautiful customer. She is here for our photo shoot. This is our third outfit. Yes. So we do photo shoot, children photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot. If you want to see most of my job, go to my Instagram and see the pictures. The pictures are there. Instagram, same name, Dig Beauty. Thank you, everyone. I hope you concentrate your eye and see what is going on there. So after you achieve the zigzag at the front, now we are using the May ashoke. So you divide it 20, 80. So the shorter part is the 20 with the measurement. Then the longer part is the 80. So you create enough pin, enough pleating, sorry. So don't forget to reserve some material when you are creating pleating for you to cover the back side. Okay, right now we are working on the 80. First, you just create another 4 pleats or 3 pleats and trace that 3 pleat down. Just trace it down. See the way I am just tracing that 3 pleats down. Try and focus. Then you tell your model tell your customer, sorry, to help you to protect there. Now you will notice at the back. So in case you did see the back side, most of my customers, sometimes their dress, their gown, the zip is, we just open it down when we do gele. After gele, we close the zip. Okay, right now, my people, we are going to do the setup. The setup is very important. Set. So we have different way we do our setup this round. So most time I teach it on my platform. You take from the front, you bring it to the, you take from the back, you bring it to the front. Take from the back. So we have different way we do this particular top round setup. So anyone that you are comfortable with, you can just use the pattern. So I have like more than 3 pattern. I do this front, this top round. Okay, my people, in case you want to learn how to achieve gele by yourself, this is the right place. How to achieve different simple style, 3 minutes, church head wrap, rubber band head wrap, rose, different type of style. In fact, this is the right place for you. But especially for those people that will need the explanation, because any of my upload video, I don't have much time to do explanation. But if you are interested, always join me on my live on Facebook. In case you are watching me from YouTube, I have 2 YouTube. The new one is Zigzag Beauty Life, because what I do there, I always go live on that YouTube. Anytime I'm on live on Facebook teaching them how to apply makeup or how to achieve head wrap on your head by yourself, I go live on Facebook, same time I go live on YouTube in case you are watching me from YouTube. So subscribe to my new YouTube, Zigzag Beauty Life is the name. And Facebook is Zigzag Beauty on my page. I have 2 pages. Recently, I'm just the other of my page, Facebook disabled my Facebook account. Because of that, I don't have access to the other of my page. I thank God that I make my husband the admin of the Zigzag Beauty page. That is the reason I still have access to that page. So my people, wherever you are watching me from, follow me on my 2 page. This one is Zigzag Beauty. The other one is Zigzag Beauty Life. We do different things there. We talk UK matter. We talk latest gist, different things. In fact, the other one. So my people, this is the finance. You can see she's happy. She is happy. She is happy. Yes, so this is the final. This is my number in case you based in United Kingdom. People travel from different places, from Manchester, Coventry, Birmingham, Liverpool, to come and have their photo shoot from me. Yes, my people, celebrate yourself when you are alive. Don't wait for people to celebrate you. So if you don't feel do party, at least do photo shoot to celebrate yourself. Yes, so in case you have events, book me for your event. So I'm available to travel all over the world, my people. So just book me for your event. We do plenty things. We do the traditional bridal hair, okuku, makeup, gele. In fact, all in one beauty, my people. My number is there. And we sell makeup product as well. We sell perfume. As you can see the back, do you see the hair at the back? So it's very neat. She is super excited. She is happy. If you want to see all my photo shoot pictures, go to my Instagram, Zigzag Beauty. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave your comment down below for me. Bye.
Looking good and looking nice. Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Zigzag Beauty is only specializing in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in Zigzag Beauty studio, we are also specializing in traditional bridal hairstyle.